Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate people age in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has too many formulas. Sometimes people would like to calculate the age from date of birth. In this situation, how they can calculate the people's age from the date of birth? Let's learn how you can do this. In this Excel sheet, I would like to calculate the age from date of birth column. Select the age column. Here I have to add the formula equal to dated if. Then open the bracket. Here we have to select the date of birth, what you would like to calculate the age. So it will be automatically get the date of birth. You can also add column rows value, that means C2, C column and the second row. Then add the comma, then add today. So today means today's date will be automatically calculated the year difference from today's dates. Then close the bracket. Then we have to add the comma, open quotes. Then we have to add the Y. The Y means year. Close the bracket, hit the tab. See, the age has been calculated. If you would like to add the entire column, we have to select the row and just drag it the formula to all the rows. That's it. It will be automatically calculated the age. In this way, you can calculate the age based on the date of birth in Microsoft Excel.